Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to create and work with the functions in Python. Okay, so basically function is a block of code which only run when it is coded. Okay, we can also pass the data into the function via the parameter. Yeah. And the function can return the data as a result of the values you pass it from the outside into the function. Okay, so in this video today I will show you the demonstration for you to understand more about the function in the Python. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio Code in my PC and I will create a new file for this. I will call it either function .py. Okay, so here on the top I will define a function. Okay, so in the Python it is supposed a keyword is def here. So the def and function name and parameter list. Okay, so I will have a function is my calculator. I will pass two numbers here. So number 1, number 2, number 2. Okay, so here in this function, okay, I will do comment here for more detail. Create as a function to calculate the total of two number. Okay, so here in this one I will have a the first one is sum will be equal flows. I will casting this one, the number 1, it will be additional flows of number 2. Okay, and then I will return the sum. Okay, that's all for my definition of the function. I save it. Okay, so now here I will write the code to call this function to do the calculation. Okay, writing the code to implement my calculator function. Okay, I will declare some value here, some parameter here. I have the number 1 will be input. Enter number 1. Enter value for number 1 equal. I will have number 2. Okay, and then I will call the function in my calculator here. Yeah, I will call this one equal. I have the number 1 and number 2. Okay, so here because this function is return the sum, so I need to have a variable here to get the data from this function. So I will have a result equal. Okay, and then I will print this. Print the function is the sum of the first number will be additional. It should be start from 0 and 1 equal number 2 dot format. I will have the first number 1, number 2, and the result. Okay, so now here I will try to run this. Yeah, I have to enter the values for number 1, For example, I enter the values for this one is 1, number 2 is 2. So here the total of this one will be 3. Yeah, because we are casting it to the float, so it will display the number is 3.0. In case here, if I casting it into the integer, it will display only 3. Run this again. I have 1, 2, yeah, and this one is 3. Okay. So here I will try to add a comment here. Curry were able to receive the result from my calculator function. Okay, display the result. Okay, so here I think this code is very clear after I add some the comment here. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to define a function in Python, and after that we call the function to return the data. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, again, thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you guys in the next video.